This dance is called Do Si Do, 32 count, 4 walls. It's a high beginner level line dance, and there are 2 restarts in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your left foot, step left to left, side together, side touch. Repeat mirror image on your right, side together, side touch. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, modified figure 8. Side behind quarter, step, half turn, another quarter, rock back, recover. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make your body facing 10, 30. Section 3. Step, lock, step, brush. Step, lock, step, brush, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, do a jazz box 3/8 turn to your right. Cross, 1/8, 1/4, forward. Point right to right. Step right forward. Point left to left. With a hitch. As you hitch, you use your hand to step your thigh. So, last section with a count. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you end the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this dance, during wall 2 and wall 6, at the end, the last 4 count, there's a change in count. So let me show you the last 4 count of end of wall 2 and wall 6. Normally you will do 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a change in music, so you will do as 5 and 6 hold 7, 8. 5 and 6 hold 7, 8. So you do point, step, point, hold, and hitch, snap. You do this for end of wall 2 and wall 6. So in this dance, there are 2 restarts. Wall 9 after 16 count. So wall 9, you'll be facing 12 o'clock. Let me show you wall 9 after 16 count restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count for wall 9, and you do a restart here. Side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch. There is another restart at wall 11 after 8 count. So wall 11, you are facing 3 o'clock. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of first 8 count of wall 11, and you do a restart here.